When most people think of security lights, they think of motion sensor lighting, but by installing motion sensors, it saves energy costs and is more convenient. Installing motion sensors around your home or business is a great deterrent for potential security hazards. Make sure you install these sensors right near a keyed area such as the front door or down side alleyways of the house. Motion sensor lights are a great option to reduce your energy bills and help save the environment. Lights left running continuously are a drain on resources. Using motion sensors will save thousands of hours of runtime per year, prolonging the life of your lights and saving you dollars in return. Motion sensors eliminate stumbling for a light switch or searching for the keyhole at night. For large buildings and offices, motion sensors remove the need for people to hunt for light switches in a strange environment at the end of the day. So you can't go past motion sensors to help create a more convenient and energy-saving environment.